Hi guys, all you machining junkies out there recognize this logo. It's Adam Booth's. Someone made him one recently and I gave it to him, and it's 3D printed, and the guy also gave license to people to download their own, and you can find it on Thingiverse and just type in Adam Booth 79 and you'll find it, and make your own if you have a 3D printer or access to one. Why I'm showing this is it's made out of special plastic. It's called thermochromatic plastic, and it changes color with heat, which is very useful in the shop. I'll show you in a minute. You can also make custom tooling for your lathe and milling machine for special applications. Like these are 3D printed or PLA printed lathe spiders for the chuck. They're very lightweight, and once you hone them, they're quite accurate. More than adequate for a home shop. And I use these 10-to-1 over the old steel ones now because I don't know, they're just nice to use. You can also make custom fixtures for your milling machine or for the chuck, for that matter. If you have a weird shaped part that's hard to hold, say like this with tapers all around it, you can easily scan it and print out a fixture for it and plop it on your mill, and away you go. So that's a big time saver and pretty darn handy. You can also print your own filters, custom filters that is. This is for an oil sump for something I'm making, and it's a stainless steel filter, or screening I should say, embedded in the PLA. They just print to a certain point, stop the machine, insert your part, and start printing again. And you can use nuts and bolts and rare earth magnets in parts this way. So it's really handy, especially if you have to make an emergency part, and it'll get you by until you get your real part. It's nice to have a 3D printer, which I hope to get in the near future. Now this color changing plastic, it's supposedly really popular with people that make color changing sex toys, but we won't show any of those here right now, maybe in the future. But I'll give you a demonstration of how it changes color. Here. Now this feature of this plastic is really handy if you have a machine that's, say, hard to access the bearings and hard to monitor if they're heating up or something like that, or any machine or part. You can make custom covers over your electronic projects, and you can see if it's overheating by the change of the color just visually. So it's a quick warning sign that something's up, and I find that's really neat. Now for bearings, you can always make custom cap that fits over top of the bearing housing, and if you make a fin on it and it's graduated, as the temperature rises, it'll rise up the fin and warning you that, hey, say that this is 50 degrees, it's 100, 150, you'll know something's majorly wrong, and to shut down the machine or do whatever you have to do to save your part, or your machine that is. So that's a cool feature, and I should be making some more projects out of this stuff in the near future. Who knows what I'll come up with, but definitely a handy thing to have. So that's it for tonight, guys, and play safe if you want to. Till next time.